Welcome to Generation Equality, an unprecedented global effort that brings together various stakeholders to bring change for women and girls. By working together in partnership, the action is taking place all around the globe. Today, we bring you inspiring stories from Tanzania, where commitment makers are making a difference every day.
We have made a very notable progress in implementing our country's commitments to advance the women's economic justice and rights. And to be able to ensure accountability, the GEF Committee, in collaboration with the Ministry for Gender for the both sides of our union, we have developed a very robust system to monitor the implementation of the generation equality in Tanzania, both at the central government level for the both sides, but also for the local government level. As a result of our concerted approach to push for the implementation of our commitments, Tanzania has received a global recognition for these efforts, including through our selection as a member of the Generation Equality Multi-Stakeholder Leadership Group, where it composes of only 7 member states, and for Africa, the members in this MSLG is only Tanzania and South Africa.
So NMB benefits from generation equality by positioning itself as a leader of financial inclusion locally or even internationally. This brings in right sort of attention to the bank. We are exposed to more and more opportunities and learnings from the staff level all the way to management.
To support this initiative, we issued a Jasiri Gender Bond, which was very much successful. Initially, we were looking to raise around $10 million, but we ended up raising over $30 million from the bond. So far, from the impact perspective, the Jasiri Gender Bond has been running for over 2 years now, and it will mature in 2025. But for the 2 years that it has been running, over 6,000 women have benefited from Jasiri. We have disbursed over 6,000 microloans, and we have also disbursed over 150 SME loans. And out of that, we have also disbursed over 300 agri loans.
Through our healthcare initiatives and our ICAMs, more than 70% of the people who benefit from our ICAMs are actually women. And when we empower women with the gift of sight, what they can do back home within their families is just magical. So far, as we speak, has done 5 ICAMs, and we've reached 20,000 people. When it comes to spina bifida and hydrocephalus, 99% of those who are directly affected are women.
WILDAF has been championing on issues of addressing and responding to gender-based violence. We, as a commitment, we have made sure that to establish the gender desks for students, especially for young women at the higher learning institutions where they can report cases of gender-based violence. Now in Tanzania, we have gender desks in all higher learning and also in middle learning institutions. Another thing is violence against women in politics and violence against women in election. And with our effort and contribution, now the Political Parties Act, they have reviewed, they have a very specific provision which now obligate all political parties to have gender policy, all political parties to have gender desks.
Under Feminist and Leadership, WILDAF is coordinating a national platform which is called CSO Women Directors Forum. This is a forum where CSO women directors, they meet to link and learn from each other and to push and strengthen the women movement in our country. Under economic justice, WILDAF is supporting livelihood interventions for the adolescent girls and young women who are survivors of gender-based violence to acquire vocational skills, but also we are providing them with a startup grant where they can start their small business for their income to take care of their family.
Out of communities that we have reached out, we supported more than 50,000 women. And out of those 50,000 women, we come to assist more than 1,400 women who were struggling with cancer. We also have scholarship, and this goes for midwives, and we have been doing this with collaboration of Benjamin Mkapa Foundation, whereby we took 100 midwives to training, whereby after there, they will be scattered all over Tanzania to support mother and child health care. And also, there is a women product which is currently running, and this has aimed to support women from lower level, from those who are doing businesses.
Generation Equality has made a tangible impact across Tanzania. From economic empowerment to women's leadership and ending violence against women, the initiatives grounded in the conviction to work together are driving real change. Join us in our mission to achieve gender equality, support Generation Equality, and be part of the change. Visit our website to learn more.